Today we're going to be setting up a Coinbase account for my mom.
Working class freedom.
Yeah. Welcome back to Working Class Freedom. Stick around and find out how my mom has been in crypto longer than you have.
And you bought in when it was about $1,000 a coin.
Okay.
It's at $100,000 a coin right now.
Owie.
Today we're going to be going to my mom's house to set up a Coinbase account.
Step by step on how to get set up.
She's going to need a little help, so I'm going to walk her through it and we'll see how that goes.
All right, let's head in. Hi. What's up?
Not me.
All right, so we're going to set up a Coinbase account.
Hey.
Need your phone.
Okay. Yeah, I've been wanting to figure this out, but it's just way too hard for your old mom.
Okay, let's start this. Okay, so we got Coinbase downloaded. First thing to do.
Step 1. Download the Coinbase app.
Okay. Get up to $200 for getting started. For real? No. Okay, so create free account, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I am legally blind, so I'm having trouble. I have trouble with reading and whatever.
All right. You want me to read it for you?
Yeah.
So I just want your email.
Wait,
Enter
why?
the 6-digit code we emailed you. So now it wants you to check your email.
Oh, okay.
Step 2. Create an account. You just got to verify your email and your phone, and you'll be off to the races.
So just copy and paste that, and then
I don't know how.
I just did that for you.
Oh,
That's
okay,
why I'm helping you.
Perfect.
All right. So now we're gonna want to create a password. So this is gonna be something you're gonna want to remember. It's not good enough.
Okay.
So it needs an uppercase and a lowercase, and then it needs one number and at least one symbol.
All right. Know which one I want then.
Okay. What should we call you?
Step 3.
Honey?
Enter your name
Alaikum.
and address. Pretty simple.
It says enter your first and last name. You can make changes later verifying your account.
Oh,
Yeah, it should probably be
So
your real
that's
name.
me.
It's like a bank account.
Okay. Yeah, then.
Okay, so now it's verifying your phone number with the little thing we've got. So now it's going to send you a text message. Complete personal account setup regulations requires us to collect and verify information. So it's just telling you that it's
Okay.
going to securely keep your stuff. Coinbase is a good company. I've had them for a long time and I didn't have any troubles.
Everyone knows they're a real thing.
Yeah,
Not some
it's the biggest
fake thing.
it's the biggest crypto exchange out there.
Yeah.
So
I think
like
it's been
big
about 8
fees,
years
but-
ago I actually put some money on, or you
Yeah.
did it for me, but it was like, anyway,
Yeah.
it turned my $200 into $1,200 in like 8 months.
Yeah.
And then I went and took it all out. But hey, you know, I made
Right.
$1,000.
Right.
So I don't know if they can do an automatic withdrawal.
You can, yeah.
Because that would actually,
You can have it set up
I
where
would never miss it.
where it comes out every whatever time you want it to, every month or every however long, every
Okay, it
week.
would have to be monthly because that's what our income is.
Yeah. Who wants you last for? Again, I'll make sure this is all secured.
Okay. Yeah, you guys can't see my
I figured this would be the only way I could get you to do this because you would be like, "Oh, this is a scam. It's gone."
I know. Well, it's like definitely. How do you know?
You have to
and all that
trust
kind of
it, which
stuff, so.
this
But,
is
yeah.
this is the part of fiat money and like banks and stuff, the way that you have to have all these little trusty things that you have to tell it who you are, what your
best friend's name
your
is.
dog's your dog's name and your blood type and everything like before. So you have to still do this for this company because then that changes it from fiat to Bitcoin.
Okay. I know he's trustworthy, so.
Right.
And I know
I figured it'd be the only way I could get it to work is because I'm here verifying that it's okay.
I can't actually see anything you're doing right now, just so you know. I mean, if you want.
Yeah,
to
you're
see
good.
it's
It
gonna
says
have to be
occupation, investment, savings.
Oh.
We'll
Yeah,
just put.
none of those.
I'm trying
I
to.
don't have any.
We'll just put savings. What's your employment status?
Retired, I suppose.
Let's put retired. What's the total value, including cash and crypto, that you expect to transfer? It's asking what kind of industry did you Where's the art? Arts and media. There it is.
Yeah.
You're an artist.
Yes.
She draws things. She paints things.
I was a mural artist back before my eyesight was gone.
Okay.
Step 4. Verify a photo ID.
Financial regulations require us to verify your ID. This helps prevent someone else from creating a Coinbase account in your name.
They'll ask you to take a picture of your photo ID, and then they will verify it from there.
It's actually ID card. Yeah, I lost my driver's license years ago.
Yeah, it's probably best if you can't see.
Right.
Just, taking pictures of this thing.
It's pretty. So it's pretty. This would be pretty easy for anyone that actually can see what the heck they're doing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't seem.
It should be easy with how big the words are on here. It's gonna confuse people. Like, what is happening here? All right, verifying your identity. Take a moment. We'll email you when it's done. Here it is.
You know what you're doing.
Success. We've verified your ID. There we go. Now we can go to your account. We'll go back in. Oh, I thought it was gonna have to make us do a weird face thing.
Okay.
But maybe it won't have to. That'd be nice. It's so annoying.
If they do your face, like, I'm gonna have to get a beard.
Yeah.
I sent one of your videos to one of my friends, and they're like, "Oh, he looks just like you," and I was like, "I need a beard." I don't know how to take that. You had glasses on and your beard, like your hat. Like, I look just like him, really.
I can't believe you sold it all back then. She sold it.
I had a goal.
She sold it in 2017. And cashed out. You know how rare it is to find people that have bought Bitcoin that early? When I talk about when I first bought Bitcoin, people just like shake their head like, why aren't you a millionaire already? Like, I looked at my first $10 that I bought in 2016.
Yeah. Is
worth like $1,200 right now. The same amount of Bitcoin that I bought for $10 is $1,200.
Wow.
And so that, what was it, 200 bucks you put in?
Just more people have keep buying in.
Well,
more people that
when we first bought it, it was only $600 a coin, and you bought in when it was about $1,000 a coin. Okay. It's at $100,000 a coin right now.
Owie.
Earn crypto rewards with your Visa debit card. Your daily coffee can now earn your crypto back when you use Coinbase card. Opt in. You can get a debit card.
So what's with the 200 I was supposed to get?
You can get it. It's still a thing.
I want it.
I'll show you. So
I'll put it towards
$200. Eligible residents, excluding Hawaii, who successfully create an account and purchase crypto. So if you purchase, I think it might be a certain amount, might be $100 or something, but add it to the Coinbase portfolio. Sign in. What's this 200 thing? Payment method. Account and buy. Once you've completed the required steps, creating an account and purchasing cryptocurrency, you'll receive $5. That ain't no 200.
Yeah, where's my 200?
Coinbase will never ask you to send funds, so you don't want to reply to their emails. They're just a notification telling you something.
Okay.
Check your URL to make sure it directs you to Coinbase.com. Yeah, a URL is the web page. www. That's a URL.
Okay.
How do you get your apps? You have to flick it just right.
If you go sideways, it does something.
Oh, it has to be perfectly straight or something.
Actually, no, I think.
All right, so how do you shut this down? Turn it off. Do you swipe it?
Oh, wait.
Swipe it downward or something? Up. Yeah. Okay, up.
So much struggle. I struggled so much. I cannot use iPhones. I fought tooth and nail, but we made it through. I may have had to record Mom's phone with my phone. And so, yeah, it's going to look a little bit blurry, but, we got to do what we got to do.
Okay. You're verified. Now you can add a payment method. Get the most out of your experience with Coinbase. We need permission to ensure the content you share is relevant and personalized. Here we go. Allow. Wow, that is hard to read.
How's it hard to read?
Because it's like half of a word cut down. To add a payment. Get started. I'm going to do a debit card because it's the easiest, and you're definitely not going to be buying more than $10,000 a day. Right. I'm going to do the...
Step 5. Link your bank or debit card.
All right, so this is another pain in the butt thing that they have to do. Once everything's done, it's pretty easy, but Setting
it's
up is
verifying
it's setting
me.
up is like getting a whole new bank account. Okay, so we've got the numbers from the bank, and everything is done. All right.
Okay.
Now you're ready to buy crypto. It says.
Step 6. Buy crypto.
Okay, so
Let's get started.
let's do it.
You're ready to buy crypto. Okay. So now these are all the coins. When you're asking if there's more than one Bitcoin, there's thousands.
Oh my. What?
There's thousands of
Oh,
coins.
all in.
There's like 5.
This is all part of the same.
You can buy a lot of these, yeah. Some of them you can't. You pick which one you want to buy.
Are they?
Guess which one was at the top? A good one.
Oh, I see. Bitcoins at the top.
These are all different coins that you don't need to worry about.
Oh, okay.
I'm just
I
telling
thought you meant these were all under Bitcoin itself.
No, Bitcoin's
Okay.
its own thing by itself.
I haven't heard of those. I've heard of Bitcoin.
Yeah. Look at the price on it. $108,000 per one full coin.
Ooh.
Man, we should have hodled. Should have put it away where we couldn't get back to it. We put it in with like the ice block
You know
thing.
how I always like to stash cash?
What? How?
Well, you know how I'm
Oh, we
always
just in little
hiding
coffee
in random
cans or
places.
whatever.
I can't do that anymore because like it's all on my debit card, and I want to be able to stash cash and because I don't get cash out.
Well, this will be a good way to stash
so
cash.
I just want to and then if I need it, I can. I'm gonna really need it, then or if I want to add more or something.
Yeah, you can always buy or add more. You can also sell it, and
withdraw.
you can put it back. Yeah, you can put it back on your account too. It takes like a day or two because it's just like the old fiat world. Best thing is to just keep it in Bitcoin, and then you can get a Bitcoin wallet and send it. And just don't ever have to send it back to dollar bills ever again. Reoccurring buy monthly, right? Do you want to do 20?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna buy $20 worth of Bitcoin right now. Claim your reward. Let's go. Gonna spin the wheel.
Oh, okay. Here's the up to $200 thing that we were looking for. We're gonna spin the wheel. Time to spin the wheel, so I can win $200.
All right, let's spin the wheel. Just hit the button.
Okay, hit right down here.
Yeah.
All right, come on, 200. Woohoo!
$4.
No way!
Cha-ching.
$4. That's so rich. I'm so excited. See, Bitcoin really is worth it. You got $4 today.
And then with fees, you've already lost $2. It's not as fantastic, but it's the only way to get out of the fiat world into the Bitcoin world.
It's a little bit intimidating, honestly, but watching you do this, it's not bad. And I wouldn't be able to do it without you because of my vision, but I'd be able to do it easily if I had normal vision.
Coinbase owns your keys right now. They're holding on to your keys. They're taking care of it for you. It's just like a bank. They're a custodian for you. Okay. Bitcoin's made to be non-custodial. You can do it yourself. So this transfer button down here.
Step 7. Receive crypto.
Asset to receive. All right, we're just going to do old school Bitcoin. That's way easier. All right, so this is your public address. This is big, long, weird password.
Okay.
But it's not really a password. It's just it's like an email address. So now I can send you coins.
So if you want to
help your mommy transfer and you want to send, this is the way to do it. Send crypto.
All right, so it's gonna shoot up now because I'm in it.
Yeah.
So you guys got to get in. Why you can't?
So then this is 1 hour. So this whole thing is 1 hour. This is 1 day. This is 1 week. This is 1 month. So it's been really flat. That's why it's a good time to buy right now because it's in a consolidation phase.
Yeah, it's nice.
And we go to all-time high. The first time you bought was right here. Of the all-time, anything you've seen here, you bought before any spikes ever happened in the world.
Oh, is it? I just put in 200. I just know 6 months later it was 1,000.
Yeah, and so then we sold like right here at the top, which was awesome, but
it was still like this tiny.
I was like, you should get back in it.
Well, that's all it takes to set up a Coinbase account. Thanks for coming along and hanging out with me and my mom. Thanks for watching Working Class Freedom. I'm the Bearded Turtle, and I'll see you next time.